I am so grateful and thankful for all the things that I have in my life, and I know better is coming. A lot of people fail to realize if you're not grateful, if you don't have gratitude for the things in your life presently, you're not going to get what you want. Like, you're just not. First of all, if you're consistently focusing on the things that you do not have in life, what do you think you're bringing upon yourself? The same things that you already don't have. When you're focusing negatively on the things that you have in your life and you're not grateful, it's just going to be more despair, more negativity. A lot of things is going to keep coming. But until you fully appreciate what you have, until you wholeheartedly appreciate it and you're thankful for it, you have gratitude, like you're literally grateful for it, then that's when all the things you want will come unexpectedly. Like, and that hit me when I went to Dominican Republic last month. And like, when I was there, I was just sitting there and I'm like, I am really like here. Now granted, I've been out the country twice already to Jamaica, but I don't know what it was. It was about going to Dominican Republic, and it was just a huge eye-opener for me. And I'm like, you know what, Rosetta? The reason why you don't have the things you want in your life, like, you appreciate it, but are you really grateful? And, like, I don't think I was really grateful until now. Like, I went and I came back, and I'm like, you know what? I am so grateful. And I was telling someone that they was like, oh, because it's a poor country. And I'm like, it has nothing to do with it being a poor country. Like, I realize how blessed I am to be able to go out of the country. There are some people who would never leave their city, never leave their state because they're too afraid to go out of the country, or they ruined their lives already where they can't go. And I'm just like, to be able to travel out the country, like, I am grateful. I am really thankful, and I'm blessed. Like, even my car, I wish my car was newer, but then I'm like, you know what, I'm so grateful for it because it takes me to point A, B, C, it may be D. Just joking. And even D. But you have to appreciate what you have. You have to truly appreciate it, because if you're not grateful, if you don't have gratitude for the things you have, how do you expect to get the blessings that you know you deserve? You're not going to get it if you don't appreciate what's in front of your face at the moment. So my message today is to have gratitude. Be grateful. Appreciate the things you have wholeheartedly. Like, wholeheartedly, you have to believe it. And then once those things once you do that, the things that you want will come to you. Guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell. That bell. So you guys can get my notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah! Until next time.